I guess I won't make dinner for you.
Yeah. You ever seen a movie Twister? We got debris. It's falling in the road. We got cows. Yeah. That was Twister too. I forgot. That was a different movie. Huh? I thought it was a different movie than the cows, but you're right, the same one.
Right after the debris, I think
Sheriff,
the same
Monroe
time.
Fire, Monterey Fire, released from your station. With thanks to Car 1, ship over 1948.